Hello guys, I'm Jason from the manager and I'm taking on today's tutorial on how to upload files on cPanel. So for today's lesson, the first thing you need to do is log into your cPanel account. So right from there, you scroll down to file manager. So click on that. It will redirect you to this page. So go up and click on upload. You can either drag and drop or find your selected file. Allow that to upload. Done. So that's it. You've successfully uploaded the file to your cPanel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our page for more tips. Thank you.